The drone with camera 1080p HD FPV is an ideal choice for beginners and kids, offering a user-friendly and exciting flying experience. This foldable quadcopter features advanced capabilities, including voice and gesture control, making it easy to operate. It comes with a carrying case for convenient portability. With one-key takeoff/land, optical flow positioning, and 360 degrees flip functions, flying becomes effortless and thrilling. The Waypoint Fly feature allows you to set a path for the drone to follow, enhancing your control and creativity. Capture stunning aerial footage with the 1080p HD camera and enjoy an immersive flying adventure with this versatile and compact drone, perfect for both indoor and outdoor fun. Whether you're a novice or an experienced flyer, this drone provides endless entertainment and exploration opportunities. The Bwine F7 GPS drone is designed for adults and offers a professional-grade flying experience. Equipped with a 4K camera and night vision, this drone ensures you capture stunning, high-resolution images and videos, even in low-light conditions. The 3-axis gimbal provides stable and smooth footage. With a remarkable 2-mile-long range and up to 75 minutes of flight time, thanks to the included 3 batteries, you can enjoy extended and adventurous flying sessions. The drone features advanced GPS capabilities, including auto-return, follow me, and fly-around modes, ensuring ease of use and safety. The beginner mode makes it accessible for kids and novices, allowing them to learn and enjoy flying without worries. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, exploring new perspectives, or simply enjoying the thrill of flight, the Bwine F7 GPS drone delivers a versatile and exciting aerial experience for users of all skill levels. The DJI Mini 2 SE is the perfect lightweight mini drone for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Weighing under 249 grams, it is exceptionally portable and easy to carry on all your adventures. Equipped with a QHD camera and a 3-axis gimbal, the Mini 2 SE captures stunning, stable video footage and crisp photos. The 10 km max video transmission ensures you can explore further, while the impressive 31-minute flight time allows for extended aerial sessions. One of its standout features is the auto-return to home function, which adds an extra layer of safety by ensuring your drone returns safely with the push of a button. The Electronic Image Stabilization (EIS) enhances video quality by reducing shakiness, providing smooth and professional-looking results. Whether you're capturing scenic landscapes or family gatherings, the DJI Mini 2 SE offers an accessible and high-quality flying experience, making it an ideal choice for those new to drone photography and videography. The drone with camera for adults is an excellent choice for beginners and kids looking to dive into the world of aerial photography. Equipped with a 1080p FPV camera, this drone captures high-quality video and photos, ensuring you don't miss any important moments. The upgraded altitude hold feature provides stable flight, making it easier to control, especially for new pilots. Voice control and gesture selfie functionalities add a fun and interactive element to your flying experience, allowing you to take photos and videos hands-free. The 90 degrees adjustable lens gives you the flexibility to capture the perfect angle, while the 3D flip capability adds an exciting dynamic to your flights. With 2 included batteries, you get extended flight time to maximize your enjoyment and creativity. Whether you're performing stunts or taking selfies, this drone offers a user-friendly and versatile flying experience that is perfect for both kids and adults. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus with DJI RC2 is the ultimate mini drone for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. This compact yet powerful drone is equipped with a 4K HDR camera, ensuring stunningly detailed and vibrant aerial footage. The Fly More Combo Plus includes 3 Intelligent Flight Battery Plus units, providing up to 135 minutes of total flight time, allowing for extended adventures and creative freedom. Designed with user-friendly features, the DJI Mini 4 Pro offers smart return to home, ensuring a safe and hassle-free return even if the connection is lost or the battery runs low. The DJI RC2 controller enhances your flying experience with precise control and a user-friendly interface, making it easy to capture breathtaking shots. Perfect for beginners, this drone combines advanced technology with simplicity, making aerial photography accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Whether you're capturing scenic landscapes or epic action shots, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus is your go-to drone for unparalleled performance and convenience. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the information helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and reviews.